Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we have Pepe. I don't need to give you an introduction about Pepe because you know this is the most memeable out of all the memeables coin out there, right? It is the meme that is projected to absolutely kill it in this bull run. When all that money goes into the alt, I think Pepe is going to be doing some ridiculous numbers, guys. And I know a lot of you are going to be saying, well, you know what? Pepe's market cap is too big, 3 billion. It's already milked out everything it could. Like, how far can we go and blah, 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 and so on, right? I'm not telling you here that Pepe is going to be like hitting 10,000%. I'm not saying, you know, that Pepe is going to be doing 100,000%, million%. I'm not selling you the crazy wild dream. But if you want to see stable, right, a stable return, like almost like a guaranteed return, I believe Pepe is the thing. Now, I am hearing a lot of people saying, well, you know, Pepe, but we don't even know. It's made the most it could. Or also, you know, that, okay, it's had this one peak. But people were saying about this over here, right? They were saying, well, it's an insider job. And that's it, right? And it's over. And then it kind of consolidated. We saw like some big dumps as well. And people were saying it's over and so on. But guess what? It then peaked. So it did defy all the odds, and the volume was absolutely insane. I mean, we are talking like 5 billion in 24 hours. It has been going crazy. If, you know, you look at the rankings right now, it has actually flipped dog. Went over it. They were kind of in a battle. So that was very, very nice. You know, and Pepe, in my opinion, is the successor to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Why? A lot of people, they're going to be throwing in money into Doge and Shiba Inu. Don't get me wrong, for sure. These are the biggest ones. You know, these are the gods of memes, especially Dogecoin. But a lot of people understand that, you know, they want to see higher returns, right? If they're going into memes and memes don't really have much utility and use case behind it, they need to get, you know, these nice returns, you know, like at least like a 10x, like a little conservative little 10x. Now, when you're a Dogecoin and you're like a $20 billion market cap, I don't know if that's even possible, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, Dogecoin with 20 billion to see like a 10x, that's like a very, very high ceiling for it. Shiba Inu, right, it could do a 10x, I don't say, but not a 100x for sure, okay? And not a 50x. And, you know, very, very difficult for it to see even a 30x, 20x, maybe max 15x. So we're probably going to get these two memes going over 100 billion market cap. But someone needs to be a successor as well. Somebody needs to do the numbers that were done 4 years ago when there was less interest in cryptos, less money in cryptos, less users. So I believe Pepe is going to be the third one behind, and it's going to go in heavy. For it to do what SHIB did, and SHIB was second position 4 years ago, I think it's no problem. Pepe, 40 billion, why not? 50 billion, why not? Even Doge's numbers from last year, like I said, now there's more interest. People know about Pepe. Everybody's talking about Pepe. All the influencers, platforms, everyone knows. Pepe came on the scene last year and has absolutely broken everybody's expectation. Broke all the records, gets listed, you know, lots of listings. And now it's like in everyone's portfolio, put it this way. So, of course, this is going to be very hot when people are going to be looking to put in their money into, you know, the big cap memes. And more money is going to be put here purely on the fact that, you know, I think they are just, well, maybe these are less risk, but almost equally as less risky. But Pepe just has this room to move. It can move. That's the point. It's already gotten a lot of whales. It has defied all the odds from all the dumpings and everything that has happened in the past. It still stays strong. So yes, I believe that this frog probably one of the most recognizable frogs in the world. What am I saying? Recognizable frogs, just cartoons. You know, this has been around since like 2005. And it has been used in politics and celebrity and everything, right? So this frog will defy all the odds. It's gonna break everyone. And believe me, with like even the social media is very strong, guys. Look at this, more than 500,000 followers. Many people retweeting it. Many people, you know, are engaging, talking. So yes, there's room. There's room for this growth. I believe that you know, any dip it gets, people are gonna be coming in and buying in like no tomorrow. It can deliver. It can move with Bitcoin, and also I think just purely from what it has done and what it has produced, the type of, you know, hype it's gotten, and the fact that people are going to be looking for the next, you know, stable thing, but the next big thing apart from these two. Pepe could be up there. They're going to be choosing Flocky, Dog with Hat, Bonk, of course. But just Pepe has just been around, you know, for this time to show everyone. Okay. Yes, I mean, if I clicked on, for example, Flocky's been around for quite a bit of time, more than, you know, it's been in the last bull run. Of course, it has gained a very high position. But Pepe just is one to really, really bring in a lot of surprises. If it does, let me show you. If it does this, ladies and gentlemen, in a little meme coin bull run, like a little tiny meme coin bull run, imagine what it can do when it really starts kicking in. The meme narrative is massive. I've, you know, showed you these numbers, but let me show you again, right? In Q1, this is what the meme narrative did, 1,312%. Way more than every single one, way more, all of them put together. So the meme narrative is hot. There are going to be a lot of desperate people, a lot of people that, you know, want to see nice returns. And I guess that the memes are the ones that can actually satisfy these type of requests. So look at this, right? 12, nearly 13,000% already done. Who knows? Who knows how far it could go? Okay. So let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. Let's see, we might get a Coinbase listing here very, very soon, and many great things to happen. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.